Whatever your business is, you spent time and money designing the perfect form for your customers to fill out. Meanwhile, some of your customers are struggling with the language barrier on your form. Here's the fix. Take a typical school visitor's log. A paper version gets the job done, but with the form digitized, we can add some common languages so international visitors, family, can fully understand what they're filling out. Visitors can choose their preferred language, from English to Spanish, French, Italian, or even the language of the Philippines, Tagalog. Not only will this make them feel welcomed, it'll help you track correct information. Next is an online insurance quote form. Suppose a bulk of your online clients speak Spanish. You can design the form in Spanish. But what happens when your client base grows also to English-speaking clients? You don't want to lose anyone because of a language barrier. Impress them this way. Last but not least, a vehicle inspection form. The hardworking technicians at CC Transformations in Corpus Christi, Texas, do things the right way, always. In this example, they performed a thorough courtesy inspection on a Dodge Charger for Chris Hernandez and documented every detail on this digital form. When the customer comes to pick up his vehicle, Virginia, the service advisor, knows that Senior Hernandez only speaks some English. So with the click of a drop-down, she was able to translate the form into Spanish for Senior Hernandez to review, sign, and print. Pretty impressive. Contact me today and get yours done. Stay awesome, have a blessed day, and remember, be epic.